In this video, we will show you how to open a trading account at FXChoice. Trading accounts are very important because they allow you to access MetaTrader and open trading positions. The first step is to log into your back-office profile area. Go to our homepage, myfxchoice.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In and enter your login details. If you don't yet have a profile, you can create one by clicking Create a new FXChoice profile below the login fields. Once logged in, you will immediately see your account's page on screen. To open a new trading account, click Open Live Account if you want to trade the markets with real funds, or Open Demo Account if you're wanting to practice with simulated funds. Click the drop-down menu under Account and select your preferred account type. Now, you get to decide your account parameters. Choose your account currency, leverage, and, most importantly, your preferred MetaTrader password for this trading account. If you're opening a demo account, you'll also be able to define your desired starting balance. It is very important to keep your password safe as it will not be included in the confirmation email. And that's it. Congratulations! You have now opened an FXChoice trading account and are ready to start trading. Thank you for watching our FXChoice how-to video. Be sure to check out our other videos on the FXChoice YouTube channel.